Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I got this ATOTO Pro 10-inch in-dash car entertainment stereo that I'm just going to be doing a bench test with you because I currently don't have a vehicle that I can install it in. Tried finding somebody who wanted to install a stereo, but no one I know seems to be too interested at the moment, so we're just going to do a bench test and fire this thing up. But let's get it out of the box, have a look at it. Alright, box of accessories. Slide this thing out here, out from the styrofoam packaging. Alright, let's get the box of goodies out here, where all the magic is. Ooh, we got a screen, mounting brackets. Alright, just plug that connection into the back. Should technically only need 3 power wires, or positive wires, to get this thing fired up. It's illumination, accessory ignition, and constant battery power. And then of course we got the ground right here. So doing the boot up, it says ATOTO, but you can change that afterwards. So you can actually use an Apple product or an Android based stereo. That's what that blue button, I believe, is with the arrow, is for the Android device. I don't have my phone connected, but you can see the Apple CarPlay right there. Different features: XM radio, micro SD, AutoLink, USB. Now I'm just plugging in my phone. Then the Apple CarPlay, oh, I gotta unlock it, shut her down. Should have unlocked my phone first. Now it opens up to the messages of people who I've been texting. And the bottom left goes to your main menu of all your different features, your music playlist, your maps, very other limited apps that'll work with the Apple CarPlay. I know a lot of people like to listen to podcasts or audiobooks when they're on the road. I like to listen to music. And then you got your rear camera, your front camera, which is really cool. Now you go into the settings, and there is tons of settings, but I'm not going to go through them all. I just went into the display, scroll down where it says boot logo settings. Click that and you can see you can set it for a whole bunch of different brand name of vehicles, which I find is actually really cool because it saves it from booting up and it says ATOTO. You actually have it boot up to say hopefully the brand name of the vehicle that you got. So I saw Jeep one, so I'm converting it to the Jeep. Hit OK, it's gonna reboot. There we go. That's way more nicer. Back on the main menu, when you press that audio button, it goes right back to your Apple device. Now those are your options right there. I don't have a satellite radio, but it's pretty cool that it gives you the option that you could hook up satellite radio to it. Sirius XM. Of course, your phone. I just had to press the voicemail just to see if it does actually connect and works as it should. And it's dialing, so I'm pretty happy with that. I don't have any speakers hooked up, so couldn't tell about the audio. Go back to the main menu. The mirror link, I didn't feel like going through and connecting it via Bluetooth, so I just left it, just kind of exploring the options. This is my first time powering up the deck and using it, so there's still a lot of navigation that I gotta figure out. But like I said before, it's pretty cool that you could have a front and rear camera. That's a huge bonus, especially when you're out wheeling and you're unsure of the obstacles going forward or backwards. You could mount a camera somewhere and you'll be able to see. Has USB, micro SD, audio video in. The equalizer setup is pretty cool with your balance and fader. And I thought I could press the EQ at the top, but it's not. I had to press button, and then you can have your presets right there. Overall, this deck is actually very impressive. I just don't have a vehicle that I can install it in at the moment, or know anybody at the present time who want to install a stereo. But lastly, here's the radio. It's your pretty atypical radio menu setup. I must say that is a pretty nice stereo. Despite for the situation with the screen, like I said, you could probably set it up and butt it up against your console. You don't have to worry about it. It's the only thing that kind of turns me off from it. But it's a very nice deck. If I didn't have an Apple CarPlay already installed in my JKU, I would probably think about doing it. This is a very nice deck, but there will be another project coming up in the future where this will most likely get installed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next one.